Hello YouTube! In this tutorial, we'll be making commands in Spigot. So make sure you select Spigot 1.6 Spigot plugin. Your JDK should be above 17. Now Spigot plugins next. Now group ID should be me.codecraft. If you don't have a website, go with me. Now artifact ID, your plugin name. So for here, we'll be just doing a basic command. So say command. Now version, Minecraft version first, 1.19, then 1.2.0. Now make sure this is Maven. Next, here is the thing. The artifact ID is the same name as your plugin ID. This is going to be main. Make your version 1.19. Now CodeCraft author. Yep, this is it. Got a website, just put it here. Some plugins should load on startup. Some should load on post world. It's just about the when the world's about to load. I go with post world because that's the basic default. Click next. Now here is something. Just click previous. Copy this. Click next. Paste it here. Now my directory is d.plugin. There's local disk D plugins and then say hi commands. Here could be anything. Make sure this is IDE based, file directory based, not file based. Click create. That's it. Yeah, and something like this pops up. Generally, I go with this. You could go with theoretically any. This time it did add the get ignore automatically. Show project. Think it does. Now, I like to do it just print. Never mind, just go with south. Do this. Say hi. Loaded. That's it. Plugin name loaded. That's it. So this will be in the console the moment the plugin loads. New package now command commands new Java class say hi extend implements executor else enter implements. Now this is implemented. Do this. That's my choice. Private may. Nope. Oh, yep, that's the problem. 6 MAIN. Back there. You could main say hi. It was say the main was say hi COMMAND. You have to change this also in the plugin.yml to MAIN. I totally forgot. Make sure it's spelled correctly. So me.codecraft say hi.main. That's something you might want to check. That's it. Now I'll center create a constructor parameter. Instead of the plugin dot get command hi dot set executor this here if sender is instance of Claire. I could turn of that b dot but yeah if Claire b equals to sender type not typecasted b dot send. Okay, since yeah we checked it right. Send b dot send message chat chat color. You could import anyone. You could go with the pre-existing colors. I like to go with creating custom colors, but for this tutorial, we'll be exploring custom colors later. Dot. Okay, yeah, there it is. Plus, boom. Now, hello there. Plus, okay, with the space. Now this part will be doing something. Dot. Plus, I believe. Yes. Off. Chat. What does it have? A color, right? Or color P. It's neat in the comparison to now opening up COLOR color pickup. Now we'll be going with something new, cooler, like don't know. This might do. Actually, this might do darker tone. This. Copy this. Just paste it here. That's it. Now save it. Plus action. I mean, there is a better way of doing it, like chat color equals new chat new color color, and then the damn thing. Just Control X here, be here, and then pull it without this. Now theoretically, that way I gotta say color. I mean, that's what this thing is, right? It's the same thing. Aqua, color code, and then code. Look at here. New color, RGB. What sort of RGB are they? For RGB. Yep. Now we don't need this. Sleep. Uh, Chat color off. Yep. That did it. Now color plus um b dot get display name dot. Yep. That's it. Good. Yeah, and you can actually adding a custom color. Theoretically can. Oh, you could manipulate the colors here, but I don't wanna. I don't know how you could make this, bring this here. Think there is a way, don't remember it. Now that's it. Actually, this is it. Now, the rest is in the main class. Here is new, say hi, this, boom. Now next, resource, commands, let's say hi, descriptions, and uh, boom. What else can be added? Alice, hi, message, or any others you got. Now, what else can be added? Permission usage. Nah, I don't think so. We'll be messing around with usage actually. Now that's it. And you could, you're theoretically done here. All left is, yeah, I mean, we're done here. We'll just make sure to check some stuff here and there. Maybe we are doing something wrong. Nope, we're done. Now we'll be clicking on first. There are two ways to actually build this web. Now one is using the build button here, which is actually the same thing as install package. If there's a help button right here, help gives you every command. The build thing does the same thing, right? It just builds something in the target file, and there you go, build it. This thing pressing this or this is the same thing. It builds the entire thing. Using this is the better, not this actually. And then there's, so now it's done actually. The second way is, which I prefer, is just go in project structure, go in artifacts, click add Java. You could theoretically go with empty, but we got some modules to do stuff with. So from modules, they won't be attached because they were with Maven, but just in case, click OK. Now, this is somewhere where things get interesting. Now, this is how I used to do my stuff. And it's only towards me. You could theoretically go in here and just use this as the main stuff. But how I do it is like this. So first, here what you're saying is I use this for beta testing, but I'm not sure that my what I've created is perfect, and or rather, I'm working on it. It's in development process, and once a version's done, completely, I'm fine with it. I exported using the build method, then I just go here, copy this, and upload it to Spigot, CodeCraft, or whatever. Now, here's jar and all, it's fine now. Because this is a tutorial video, and I'm pretty sure this is fine, but this is perfectly fine. But because this is a tutorial video, and I have to show you some bugs that you might encounter on the way, and a lot of stuff actually. Now, okay, just click. So yeah, and this is plus the fastest way of doing stuff, rather than, and plus I have to show you both of the ways. So yeah, click OK, apply. Now you could just go and open an Explorer, I believe. Yeah, open an Explorer. Boom, copy this and paste it in your server directory. Now for me it's pretty quick because my server directory is in like just the same drive, just as yours maybe. But for you, this might not be quick. That's why I just, so here in the artifact part, we specify our server directory plugin folder. So for me it's D server plugins. Click OK, that's it. Now all you have to do is click build artifact, build artifact. Now here, wait for it. Now you could theoretically assign a key here. Like I wanna do it. I don't wanna do it every time doing same stuff. I'll just assign a key. So I'll go with settings, key maps, build ART artifact. There it is. I'll assign a key. Add keyboard shortcut. That be Control B. Oh, it's already there. Control A. Okay. Yeah, that's just obvious. Control Alt B. Control Alt. I don't know. K L. Control Shift B. Okay, we'll be trying a different pair. Second stroke. Control Alt Shift F10. That's not a sign. That's great. Click OK. Apply. OK. Control Alt Shift F10. Boom. It's going to say the same thing. Click Build. There you go. Now, because this was the same thing and it didn't do anything. And generally, this process takes way less time, even in the building process. For my old computer, it took around 5 seconds. Here it just takes 1 second. Less than even a second. Sometimes it's happened in 7.68 milliseconds. So yeah, there's that. Now, I'll see you in the game. Okay? So I'll be like, I'll just first, before that, actually, we'll be just starting the server just to make sure that everything we've done is so far is correct. Could see it, right? Yeah. Now, obviously, you need these jar files and the run.bat file. So how I like to do it, I'm pretty sure that, yep, it's how I did it. That means delete is out there. Now, I'm planning to make a for the first tutorial for with Eclipse because there's no Minecraft plugin there. So just in case you might want to check it out, I'll just how I mean Spigot. Let me see. There's the wiki there, right? Opening the wiki really does help. This wiki index. This what? Now going into developer. Maven repository. Clicking this is where that's what we need. Build a Gradle. You got this. Like I was talking about the Gradle option. There it is. The Maven option. The Maven option is something. The bomb.exe actually. And this is the build.exe. This is it. So yeah. The, the build Gradle is right here. Um this is the Gradle. And copying the repository and these files. That's that. That's it. Now, look at these. These guys do the stuff automatically. So this is a plugin which is used for use. This is only available for Griddle at the moment. Satellite. This, on the other hand, Ruby Kotlin. This is also, I believe, it's for Kotlin. Satellite, the guys again, but for free on the. But I'd recommend using IntelliJ. But I don't know why. For one, so sure be it. You could check out their Maven repository there. So far, you want to find some stuff. There you go. You could check it out. Now I'm using Maven, yeah, the palm.xml. Just copy this. You want to create a Maven project? I'll I'll make an in-depth tutorial just in case. So yeah, server's a little laggy there, and let's see how much. I really do hope I'm getting enough FPS here and there. So yeah, yep, getting enough FPS. Just a second. Let me FPS 90 video settings expansive. Let's make it faster for the time being. The overload's gone. Now we don't want to say look, just say hi. Hello there, CodeCraft 07. Just say bye. Also works. Oh, yep. SH. Does it work? Yep, there's that. I mean, hi was a thing. Yep, we did the hi also. Yep, so everything works here. Now, the next episode we'll be checking out events. So, events like when I'm right clicking, this won't work. Yeah, I mean, think I've. So, one for instance, this is something I was working on. Look, at the moment, look, there's nothing happening. But in next episode, we'll be making something cool. Not TNT launcher, obviously. That's something we'll be doing in the next, probably something after, probably after done. Also, the you know basics. We have to cover a lot of stuff. So, thanks for watching.